Welcome to the fairy garden. Spring has arrived, and the fairies need our help to tidy up their magical space. But oh my, everything is scattered and out of place. Let's look closely at all these garden things. Some are tiny, some are big, some tall, and some short. Do you see how jumbled they are? We need to work together to clean, sort, and bring the garden back to life. The Fairy Queen is coming to visit, and everything needs to be just right. Let's get started. Let's take a closer look at one group and see how we can help. These flower pots look mixed up. Can we line them up from the smallest to the biggest? Much better. Now they're in the right order, smallest to biggest. These boots need some love too. Let's sort them from tallest to shortest. Wonderful. Tallest to shortest. Now the fairies can find what they need easily. Oh, look at these wands. They're already in the right order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. These watering cans are just perfect as they are. When things are in order, we don't need to move them. Now let's look at something else. Here are some fairy brooms. They're all different sizes. Let's sort them from shortest to longest. Shortest to longest. Beautiful work. Now let's look at the fairy treats. How many berries are in each bowl? Let's count together.
3, 5, 2, 4.
Let's put them in order from the fewest to the most. Fewest to most. Great job. You're doing amazing. Now that we've sorted a few groups, let's figure out why some objects go together. These wands are in a line. How do we group them? That's right, we group them by color. These stones are all circles except two. What's the rule here? Yes. Let's group by shape. Let's test our eyes and do some magical sorting. Here's a group of watering cans. But one of them looks different. What's that wooden bucket doing here? It doesn't look like the others. Great job spotting it. The rule we're using is group by type. The others are all watering cans, but the bucket is not, so it doesn't belong. Let's try another. Look closely at this group of gardening gloves. They're soft and made of fabric. But wait, what's this shiny metal spoon doing here? The rule here is group by material. The gloves are fabric, and the spoon is metal. That's why it doesn't belong. Look at the garden now. Everything is clean, sorted, and sparkling. The fairies are flying high with joy. You helped by putting things in order, sorting by rules, and finding what didn't belong. That takes careful thinking, and you did it all. Keep using your smart eyes and kind heart. There's magic in every group when things are in their perfect place. Until next time, little helper.